PDFMerge is a web-based tool designed to make merging and editing PDFs straightforward and accessible. From the moment you land on the homepage, you'll notice the clean and user-friendly interface that immediately directs you to upload your files for merging. All you need to do is click the Upload button, select your files, and PDFMerge takes care of the rest. It processes files relatively quickly, which is a huge plus when working with large documents. The interface is minimalist but effective, which makes navigation simple. However, it's clear that this tool is primarily focused on merging PDFs and doesn't offer a wide array of editing options. If you're looking for heavy-duty PDF editing, you might find this tool somewhat lacking. That said, its merging capabilities are efficient, and the output quality is generally reliable. There are a few limitations worth mentioning. While PDFMerge works well for basic merging tasks, it doesn't support extensive editing or advanced customization options. It also lacks features like OCR, which means scanned documents remain non-editable. The absence of cloud storage integration can be inconvenient if you prefer saving your documents directly to platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. DocuClipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. On the plus side, the tool is incredibly straightforward to use. You can easily drag and drop files or use the upload feature, and the process is typically completed within a few seconds. The website doesn't require registration, which is a big bonus if you're looking for a quick solution without creating an account. PDFMerge is effective at what it promises: simple, efficient PDF merging. But if you need a broader range of editing tools, you may want to explore other alternatives. For straightforward merging needs, it's definitely worth a try. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tutorials.